In this tip of the day, I'd like to demonstrate how you can verify the final depth of cut when performing a thread operation within OneCNC turning. In this example, you can see we have a part and we've already applied a thread operation to this. Let me turn off the solid model layer so we just have the wireframe geometry. I'm going to hit the spacebar twice just to change our view. And let's zoom in a little bit right in this area right here. And I'm just going to left click the threading operation. Now what we want to do is we want to have the ability to verify this last depth of cut. Now we can do that by creating geometry from the toolpath. Now that's easy to do. Just right click on the machining operation and select backplot. That's going to create a brand new layer and it's going to create geometry from that toolpath. Now the nice thing about that is we can actually verify or interrogate all these different depths. What we're going to do is head down here to our Verify browser, select the very first option, take your cursor and then left click on that last pass, that last final depth. If we look over here, we can see that that's at Y 1.305. Now that's a radial value, but it's still very important to us. In fact, if we open up our Windows calculator, we can copy this value here just by selecting it, right click and select copy. And then up here within the calculator, we can hit Control V, Control Victor on the keyboard. Once we have that, we can multiply that times 2, because remember that's a radial value. We can hit equal, and there is the final diameter of the thread. So if your post processor is outputting diametrical values, that will be the last depth of cut when threading. If your post processor outputs radial values for X, then this is going to be the value for the final depth of cut. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.